Hello everyone. Just a tutorial video on how to connect your Google TV or Android TV to your phone or tablet to use it as a remote. Now, I ran into this issue a couple of days ago. Uh, the battery ran out on my TV's remote and I didn't have spare batteries in the house. So I thought, oh yeah, why don't I use my tablet as a remote controller, and that worked pretty well. So I've decided I'll show you guys what to do if you do need to do that in future or if you haven't already done it. So first things first, head over to the Play Store, or if you use an alternative store, head over to that store and you need to download an app called Google TV if you already don't have it on your phone or tablet. If you're using a Pixel phones, you probably already have Google TV installed on it, or if you're using a different phone, you might have to download this. I'm actually using Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 at the moment. Okay, the app is up. Let's open the app. The Google TV wants to send me notification. No, thank you. Now, if your tablet or a phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as a TV, your tablet or phone should automatically find your TV nearby. I've got a projector, a TV, and I think there should be another device connected to it. So this should find whatever devices are in my Wi-Fi network. So I'm just gonna click on that and allow this so it can find devices. Yes, allow. And it will tell me what devices are nearby. So you pick up the right device. So I'm going to use the TV. So as soon as you hit this, your TV is going to get a notification, a pairing notification. You put that up here. 56 BB. Okay, let's pair that up. So when it is paired up, you can see a little remote icon here. Click on the remote icon and you can start using your TV. Go to your home screen using your TV. There's this thing here. If you go into settings, it will let you use D-pad or swipe control, so you can use your TV with this swipe. Let's show you here. So yeah, you just use the swipe to see if you want to watch something else, and go to home screen or whatever it is you want to do. Oh, let's watch some interesting video about Iceland. Why not? Okay, so you see it here. Get out of it if you want to go get back to it. My suggestion is have a widget on one of your home screen. Let's go to Google TV, click on the widget, add it. So if you have this, you can scroll on the different subscriptions. If you have connected to your TV, you can scroll through them, or just click on the remote here and jump directly to the remote, and turn up the volume, turn down the volume, change to D-pad if that's what you prefer. Also, the best thing about this is if you're looking up something and you want to use your keypad, you can bring up this keypad here and you can start searching on your TV. Absolutely amazing. I've been using for the last couple of days and I absolutely love it. So you can also use your Google Assistant button here, directly from here. All right, here we go. That's how you connect your TV to your phone or tablet to use it as your remote controller. If you need a hand, send me a message or just drop a comment below. Thanks. Bye.